Dial *144*8# to recharge your MTN account with 10 Rand airtime or more to stand a chance to win a share of prizes worth up to the value of 8 million Rand. And don't forget to subscribe. Tanko. Welcome to my FANS Wethu TV. It's the MTN semi-finals. Mamelodi Sundowns 0, Stellenbosch 1. I'm joined by the technocrat himself, KG.
Sibo. Shabazel, my brother. Hey, leg.
How do you feel?
Steve. I can't get that in a rebonaga, Brian. Football. The sooner they get rid of Manqoba, Mngqithi, the better. I'm telling you.
Must he go?
Why do you change something that is not broken?
I also don't understand.
The energy that we see from these boys is poor. Completely. Bona, these boys are down. I think maybe they are still affected by the departure of Rulani Mokoena. Because under Rulani Mokoena, the Sundowns that we used to see, they used to command position. They used to rotate the ball. They used to know. They knew how to play. This one is they took 10 steps back. I think it's disappointing to see such a big team playing like this with so much quality, you understand?
How have they changed?
The philosophy, the structure is no longer the same. I think they couldn't even conjure 6-7 passes. They couldn't make up about 7 passes, and with Roland, they used to rotate the ball. They used to keep the ball. You keep the ball, you keep it as much as you can. And that is dominance. When you dominate, you move the ball with fluidity. They just can't do that. And I don't see Sundowns challenging for the league title if they continue like this. I said it in the last interview when we were here, when they played Polokwane City. I said, if Sundowns continues playing like this, I'm telling you, they will suffer. And the league title is there for the taking.
Kenji, let's give you
for Orlando Pirates, you understand? Yeah, they were playing against a very tough opponent, obviously. Stellenbosch, young boys, aggressive. As much as the other teams are taking away the players from Stellies are able to get newer players into the system, and they are still able to play. And it was very clear from Stellenbosch. Counter-attack, counter-pressing. Counter-attack, counter-pressing. You allow Sundowns to have the ball, you absorb. When you absorb, you attack. And it worked well for them because remember, they are playing away from home. This is Mamelodi Sundowns home ground. Stellenbosch has an away goal. Sundowns are on the back foot. Go Devin. Stellies will sit back a little bit until Sundowns gets a goal. If Sundowns doesn't get a goal, we will see pub football, obviously, because Sundowns Stellies will have to sit back. Until Sundowns hit a goal. Sundowns, the structure has changed now. If Ukalebela Mokoena is no longer a box-to-box, sort of, because you know Mokoena, if you player plays to their strength, like Mokoena ka mokgwa jalang, they'll give you the energy, they'll give you the strength, and Mokoena is a commander. You know, defensively and in attack is very good. He's no longer playing the same type of football. Mokoena has changed. Mokoena is very deep. It's very deep. They've got Allende. Allende is a box-to-box central midfielder, a very good player. But you can see all of those players that are now, they don't have that rhythm they used to have. And it's very disappointing. So for me, I think they will suffer. They will suffer under these 3 coaches. It's Manqoba, it's Steve, for closer. There's so much confusion go Sundowns. I'm telling you, let's be honest, guys.
Are they confused, these coaches?
Yeah, they're confused. There's so much confusion now at Sundowns. Tembazwane, why is Tembazwane not playing? Are you facing? Are we now facing out? Are we now facing out Tembazwane? It's still early on. I mean, they gave him a 1-year extension, I understand, but it's too early to phase him out. You can't phase out Tembazwane. Yeah, it's quality. Now, the shoulders of Ribeiro will be overwhelmed because now Ribeiro will have to carry that weight. You understand? Yeah, because he's the maestro. He's the one who makes the team play right now.
Why do you know that?
No, just wait a little bit.
No, I'm saying,
but it's obvious. It's obvious.
No, I'm here as a Sundowns fan. As a Sundowns fan.
Yeah.
As a Sundowns fan. You can analyze games as Sundowns. I'll listen and I'll interview. Joe.
Yeah, Themba Zwane. So you're not a fan of Themba Zwane. I understand.
He's my man.
He's your man.
Yeah.
So why is he on the bench?
Because coach Harrigan am mailing benching.
Coach is poor.
Poor
judgment.
Okay, Mara, Auxala Gore Onyagilo Kora Golutsepe, when I born.
Yeah, but why is he on the bench? He should have started the game. He should have started the game. That's my point.
No, when I coach Sundowns.
Marle Jolo 1-0.
Yeah, Mara, I came my affairs so Kalalibana with Deben.
Yes. Yeah, see what? Themba Zwane. Themba Zwane needs to play because Themba wait.
Kitilemoto protector Masanda one. Kimo protector. Ukal. Kimo. Kimo presenter. Protector. Lo protector Masanda one. Wena bolela mara hoto moto mutsile kitlo ara.
Yeah. You've got Themba Zwane, you've got Lucas Ribeiro. Put Mudiba out, play Themba Zwane. That's all I'm saying. Have a little creativity, have fluidity.
Yes.
Ribeiro, if I carry too much responsibility, it must say. Yeah, it kawata because you know Mokoena is very deep already. You've got Mudiba. Mudiba is not creative, let's be honest. It's not creative. Have Themba Zwane, have Ribeiro in the team. Either Shalulilo or Reynas, we don't know. Reynas obviously is with them now.
Yes.
Have those two players go there, maybe we'll see a different Mamelodi Sundowns. But right now, they were poor.
Leadership, let me tell you something here that is happening in football.
Yes.
And you can't see my face, but let me tell you this. Let me tell you this. In South African football, when we were still Absa Premiership, Super Sport United punished people. We had double treble with Orlando Pirates. Kaizer Chiefs is a former cup specialist. Former. No, leadership, focus. Focus. Kaizer Chiefs, former cup specialist.
Yeah.
The era of Mamelodi Sundowns has come to an end.
Done!
We are about to experience
What?
the new leader in our premiership in South Africa.
So this is
who's that?
So you guys are watching the death of a former leader in our premiership. That is why Stellenbosch, from so far in the home where Pretorians were in full evidence and attendance, they were punished. Any one of them here can argue.
Are we witnessing the
But I'm
downfall?
telling you something. Kaizer Chiefs is a former cup specialist. Matsatsanza Pitori at some point in time were punishing us.
Yes.
We witnessed Mamelodi Sundowns doing whatever they were doing. But we are watching the death of what used to be. These KG's analysis, let me tell you this, you will remember my ways. I'm not afraid, I'm a leader. I don't lead from the back, I lead from the front.
Yes, sir.
You will remember his weight analyzing from a football perspective. From a spiritual perspective, we're realizing the death of what used to be a cup specialist in South Africa.
Yes, sir.
Let me tell you this. Even as we go,
Who do you support?
it's not about that. Chief Wakoi.
No, wait.
Let me tell you this on record. Let me tell you. I'll tell you. On record, as we go, this season will shock you, and the owners of this season will be the owners of the next season. I'm done, KG. You continue with your analysis.
Who are you? Thank you, man. Man of the match.
Man of the match. Sibo. He has said it. Every team gets their chance to showcase themselves, and there's a phase. That phase here, a new team will come in to dominate. Yeah, it come in and dominate, and that is what we are witnessing now. I think it's a big mistake what these guys did by getting rid of Rulani. That was a very strong Mamelodi Sundowns. Rulani was building a monster of a team. They were difficult to play against. I'm telling you, as a lover of football, I'm telling you, that was the obviously not happy for vice. Sundowns for vice Rulani. I'm happy. The reason I guess I take a Sundowns so it was about vice Rulani. And if it's that day, you understand? Because under Rulani, Mamelodi Sundowns were unstoppable. There's no way you could. Pito was a winner. Was a proven winner at the trophy. My man of the match is Stevens. Stevens, Stellenbosch, Rokopana Debe, Sunday.
What was a million KG from MTN?
Million?
Yes. If you win it.
We're a bride. I donate la go kosi go rege Aziski bride. I
say no more.
Yeah, we do it.
Just go and dial *144*8# recharge ka 10 rand KG.
I will my bride. 8.
Tango.